Hi, I'm Mr. Aliwang. I will be reacting about the article of Johanna Sorrentino, the homework debate. In her article, Johanna said that parents should not expect homework. I think that is also the mindset of some parents because some of the parents of elementary pupils that I met along the way when asked about homework of their children would say that they are the one actually doing the homework of their children. However, sometimes parents cannot also answer the homework given to their children, so they need to hire a tutor. But not all parents can afford to hire a tutor, so they just leave the matter to the Almighty. I also heard the clamor of some high school parents. Their children work with their homework as an excuse so not to help in the house chores in at the farm. For working students, homework is an additional burden in their struggle to finish their schooling smoothly. According to Alvy Khan, homework is all pain and no gain. Interest in learning will diminish, particularly if in all subject areas there are homework in almost all the school days. Mary J. Serra, an academic administrator for Kenya School in Tucson, Arizona, maintains a no homework policy across all grades. The purpose of the policy is to make sure learning remains a joy for students, not a second shift of work that impedes total time, creativity, activity. Sierra says that when students are told there will be no homework, they breathe a sigh of relief. However, what if homework in one subject, for instance, could be done not more than 10 minutes as a rule and the learners are well prepared to do such activity? Meaning the learners was prepared as to knowledge, skills, and understanding needed to carry out the homework. In this sense, it would be unfair to say that homework has nothing to do with the academic achievement. A good homework is a 10-minute designed to reinforce what students have already learned or to prepare them for upcoming lessons, or to extend what they know by having them apply it to new situations, or to integrate their abilities by applying many different skills to a single task. The students and their parents would be thankful, especially when parents grab the homework as an opportunity to participate in their children's education at home. Homework teaches self-discipline, time management, and other non-academic life skills. It is accepted that kids are minors and that they need parents' guidance. At home, the one that guides are the parents, and at the school are teachers. Being the guide, the parents and the teachers knows best. Both parents and the teacher should agree during General Assembly and be part of the policies of the PTA. A lot of what we see kids doing is continuing to write in journals, practicing music with their friends, and taking experiments at home to show their parents. The early control over their education continues to serve them well into college. They feel better equipped to manage their time and approach their professors with questions. Indeed, homework is part of the training in the basic education. It is supposed to be part of the study habit of the learners. Parents' involvement in homework is beneficial for students too. The parents might as well set a regular time to do homework and designate a specific area for homework to keep the child well focused on his or her studies. A flat surface, good lighting, school supplies, and new media could be of help and interesting to the learner. Independent learning is encouraged and improved by providing guidance. The teacher should remind parents on how they could be of help, such as in explaining how to look up information or find words in a dictionary, or on the new media rather than merely providing the answers to the child's homework-related questions. Parents can also be an audience and hear their child read out loud for them to provide corrections and help the student learn how to read better. The parents are also encouraged to do their own homework, so to encourage their children do also their own homework. The teacher should therefore bear in mind that student learning improves when homework serves a clear purpose and is matched to both the skills of each individual student and to the current topics being taught in class. Immediate feedback improves the effectiveness of homework by correcting misunderstanding, validating process, and highlighting errors in thinking. Inserted comments provide much better feedback than a mere grade at the top of the paper. The teacher should agree with the parents the mode of their direct communication regarding their students' homework to give parents a chance to become familiar with the material in their child's progress.